Hi, guys. Welcome to Tuesday Newsday. Today I am joined by Lisa.
Hi, how is everyone?
Good. How are you?
Good.
So, this is your first time with us, isn't it?
Yes, I have been with the company for about 6.5 years, but it's my first Tuesday Newsday, so I'm really excited to be here.
That is so exciting. So, tell us a little bit about yourself. What do you do?
Sure. Okay. I am the Chief Customer Experience Officer here, which is kind of a new role here at Missouri Star. For my first 6 years, I was Chief Marketing Officer, and we decided we really needed to have this role. And so what I do is anything to help make the customer experience, make what you guys experience at Missouri Star amazing. So from events to when you're in town to our retreat center,
Oh, wow.
our customer service team, just really anything that touches the customer, and then also strategic partnerships. So like Craig Conover and the partnership we have with him, that was
very cool.
through me. So it's a fun job. I love it. I look forward to coming to work every day, and
Very busy.
It's a very, very busy, especially right now because the biggest event we do is Birthday Bash. And that's kind of my baby, and there's lots of fun things happening. That's kind of why I'm here today, is to talk about that.
Yeah, well, let's talk about it.
Okay, so Birthday Bash. I don't know if you've heard, but we're having Birthday Bash. It's our 17th year, which is crazy to think about.
Yeah.
I'm sure for you, being part of the family that started the company, it's hard to believe it's been 17 years.
It is. It's insane.
Yeah.
I cannot believe that it's been 17 years.
I know. It's crazy, and it's so fun, and I just think about all the great things this company has done over the years, and it just makes me really proud to work here. So Birthday Bash, September 17th through 20th. If you've missed the dates, it's September 17th through 20th, Wednesday through a Saturday. And the theme this year, and that's why I'm wearing this hat. I don't normally just wear a cowboy hat around town. But our theme is the Stitchin Stampede, so Western, which is, I grew up in Texas and love everything Western and cowboy, cowgirl. So this theme just hit me right in the heart. I love it. I love it so much. So come dressed up, bring your boots, bring your hat, bring your belt.
Please, we want to see all of your costumes, all of your outfits, everything.
Applique something on some jeans or embroidery something on a denim skirt or a denim jacket. There's so many things that you can do to come dress Western, but I'm really excited to see everyone in their Western finest. So I have a few notes here just so I won't forget, because honestly, there is so much going on this year, Hannah, more than last year, more than the year before.
Oh, wow.
It's going to be amazing. So I'm just going to go through a few of the things that we're doing. We're basically turning Hamilton into a Wild West town.
Oh my gosh.
We are going to have we have so many free events that you can come and do and win prizes. We have a lasso contest.
Oh.
We're not going to be lassoing real bulls, though.
Oh, well.
I know. That'll be a different one. But BJ, if you guys know BJ, he's a great woodworker, craftsman.
Yeah.
He's built 2 bulls, wooden bulls, that we're going to have you lasso with a hula hoop, not a real lasso because that's kind of hard, but a hula hoop to win prizes. We're going to pan for gold, Hannah.
Oh my gosh.
On the patio. We are going to, because, back in the 1800s, people were prospecting and looking for gold.
That was the big thing.
That was a big thing. So we're going to pan for gold on the patio over here. You can win gold. If you get a gold nugget, you're going to get a really great prize. So it's going to be super fun. We're going to learn to line dance. We're going to learn to square dance.
Oh my gosh.
Of course. We're going to have a station set up to send a free postcard to someone that you love. So we have these really adorable postcards that you can send a little message, and then we'll stamp it and send it on its way with the Pony Express, because the Pony Express, actually, there's a museum in St. Joseph that talks all about the Pony Express. It kind of launched from here in this area. So we wanted to kind of lean into that heritage and history. We're going to have free demos from top designers and creators in the Demo Depot. That's what we're calling the education centers. We're here in the theater today, and it's over in the back half of the theater. So we're going to have demos every day. We're going to do Hamilton history tours, which is very fun.
Cool.
One of our employees, her husband is a local historian, and he's actually written a book about the history of Hamilton, because Hamilton has so much heritage from back in the 1800s. I mean, it was a booming railroad town. So there's so much history, and there's really cool homes and things around town. So we're going to let you take a free, probably 15-minute tour. It's going to leave at the top and bottom of every hour, and you'll get pulled on a trailer. It sounds unsafe, but it's very safe.
Like a hayride?
Like a hayride.
Oh, cool.
A hayride.
Oh my gosh.
Through town. And
that'll give you a nice breeze too.
Exactly.
If you get hot.
Yes,
just
exactly.
Go on a little trailer ride.
Exactly. And Dennis Cox is the guy that's going to be doing it. He's fantastic, and he'll take us around. And so that'll be really fun, and that's free. We have a really special guest this year. His name's Robin Smith from Thal and Maker. He does old-fashioned chain stitch embroidery where, I don't know if you've ever seen it. It's very cool, but he has an Instagram that you should check out. But it's the embroidery machine's on the top, but all the controls are on the underneath, and he does it all by hand.
Oh my gosh.
And he's going to be in our vendor village doing free name embroidery on bandanas. So we'll give you a bandana. You'll get your name embroidered on it, and you can go on about your way. But he's fantastic. He's from the Fort Worth area, and he's really excited about coming. He's been hired by some of the biggest brands in the U.S. So we're really lucky that he had a few days open to come up to Hamilton.
Yeah, that is so exciting. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, that's going to be a showstopper.
Now I have to decide if I want my name on my bandana or my dog's name.
I know. I think I'm going to do my dog's name.
Me too.
Because I just love a dog in a bandana. I don't know. So
yes,
cute.
well, and then when you wear the bandana, you can take them with you.
Exactly. So I'm really excited. And your dog is so cute, by the way.
Oh, thank you.
I know. I have a long-haired black German Shepherd.
Oh my God, beautiful.
She's beautiful, but she looks real cute in a bandana. So I'm really excited for Robin. We'll have our vendor village, of course, that we always have every year. We'll get to meet, all the vendors and see all the new products that they have coming. We'll, of course, have cakewalks, of course. Yes. Who doesn't love the cakewalk? We have a lot of ticketed events in our theater like we do every year. Make sure that we still have a few tickets left. So hopefully if you haven't bought a ticket, go online and buy a ticket, because every event we're going to have raffle tickets given out to win prizes. You'll get to hear from some great people. Guys, Al Doan is doing a quilt talk.
Oh my gosh.
I mean, he is like the star of our all-star group. Like, he is beloved in there. And I'm so excited that he agreed to do this. Al is wonderful and has so many great stories, and you get to ask him questions like, who know, how often do you get to like sit in a theater and ask the founder of a company questions about the company? Like, that's really cool. Like, I love that, like up close and personal. Of course, Natalie and Misty are going to be doing lots of fun things. They have a double take trunk show. We're doing a quilt off at the Missouri Star Corral, which is really fun. And you'll have to look online. We're going to be adding them soon. All these wanted posters of all the outlaws. Oh my gosh. And they have to kind of sew for their pardon from Sheriff BJ.
Oh my God.
So
wait, really?
It's going to be a whole thing, Hannah.
That's amazing.
It is fun. We're doing bingo. Like bingo. I love bingo.
I love bingo.
So we're going to play a minimum of 6 games, and you get to have fun prizes and sit in the air conditioning and win some stuff. Like, that's going to be amazing. We also have some special guests. Tammy Jones from Hometown Quilt Company is going to be up here. Tammy is a ball of light and joy and has a really great following and is a great partner to Missouri Star. Yeah, she's fantastic. She's awesome. Did you get to meet her when she was up here? You were running around during MSA when she was here.
Yeah, I run around very, very often. It's kind of hard for me. Like, I'm sure I've met her.
I know you have. I'm sure you have. But she's going to be doing a trunk show and a talk, and she just announced that we're actually partnering with her to do a special set of holiday templates. Oh, cute. Which is really cute. And they're launching the week of Birthday Bash, so anyone who buys a ticket to her show gets a free set of those templates.
No way.
So you're kind of the first to get them. So I'm really excited for her.
That's amazing.
Dee Bushrod will be up. She is the Pixel Quilter. She does those amazing pixel portrait quilts.
She did the Queen Elizabeth.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, yes.
She did that. She's coming up, and she's going to show you all those quilts. And what people maybe don't know is that she's doing an exclusive one-of-a-kind pixel portrait quilt of Jenny.
No way.
And it is going to be raffled off. So with every ticket so the tickets are her tickets are $25, but you get 15 raffle tickets. So you have 15 chances to win that pixel portrait quilt of Jenny.
Well, it looks like I'm going to be out of a lot of money.
I know. I know.
How amazing would it be to have a giant Jenny on your wall?
A giant quilt of your grandmother on the wall.
Yes. And sleep under that and feel warm and
you
safe
would love
every
it.
night.
Yes, I love it. Dee is so talented, and she's just a delight. And
she is.
She's so talented. We're so lucky to have her. I'm just so thankful.
I can't wait to see more of her quilts because that Queen Elizabeth blew me away.
Yeah, seriously, and it hung in Buckingham Palace.
Oh yeah,
yes. It's, I mean, really.
She has the letter like on the back of her quilt.
Yes, it is amazing. It is amazing. Our friend Craig Conover will be back.
Oh,
he
fun.
and Missy are going to do a thing. He's got a new fabric collection coming out early mid-September called, it's his first fabric collection, the Coastal Collection, and the fabric is to die for. So he will be there talking about that. He'll be doing some meet and greets. We're going to have a special pop-up shop with just his fabric in it. It's, you don't want to miss that. I drove up today. My car is full of props. You would die if you saw it.
Oh no.
We're doing all these Instagrammable moments around town. We're going to have like hay bales and saddles. I brought a saddle and all these things. It's going to be so cute.
Hamilton is going to turn into a giant fun farm.
Is going to turn into a giant fun farm. That's exactly right.
Oh my goodness.
It is going to be a can't miss. So I'm really excited for that. And I would just say, one thing, this is really important. Goodness, this will make people crazy. So in each shop, we're going to have different chucks. And these are cute. Look at how cute these are. It's an exclusive chuck with each shop. So like we have one for floral. See, he's wearing floral.
Oh my
We have one for quilted home. He's wearing a little bandana with our Missouri Star fabric on it. There'll be 17 different chucks that you can collect. So you do not want to miss them. The only way you can get these is by being in Hamilton.
Oh, really?
That is the only way. They're exclusive just during Birthday Bash.
Okay, very good to know. That is super exciting.
Yeah, so I know we have a lot of chuck collectors out there.
We do.
And we thank you for that.
Yes.
But come and get these. Don't miss out. You will be sad. You will have FOMO if you don't have these chucks in your collection.
I already have FOMO because I know I'm going to miss out on them.
Yeah, I know. We'll have to get you a set. I know people, Hannah. I know people that know people. Okay. So. But we just posted our daily schedule online. So if you go to our website and go to the Birthday Bash landing page, you can scroll down a little bit and you'll see by day, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, all of the events, all of the demos. We have a book signing from Amy Lotta. We're going to have singing cowboys walking around town. We're going to have, it's just, I really leaned into this, if you can't tell. I really leaned into this.
I love it. I think it sounds absolutely amazing.
Oh,
and
good.
I truly am so excited for it.
My only hope is that it's cool. Like, wouldn't that be nice? Like to be about 70, 65, 70.
Not 90.
Not 95.
Not
but
95.
Never fear, though. We will have bottled water for free to pass out if it's hot. Even if it's cool, we'll still have bottled water. We're going to have a little snack station this year because, you're running from thing to thing. And here in the theater, in the lobby, we'll have free snacks, string cheese, and things to keep you fueled, to keep going and keep enjoying our amazing town. So
that's really awesome.
Yeah. So we try to think of everything, again, like back to my role, is to think about the whole experience that you guys are going to have when you're here in Hamilton. And I just want it to be so great. I want you to leave and have your hearts full of joy and love and go out and make beautiful things and then show us what you make. So that's what I want.
We always love to see what you guys make.
Yes. So that's it. Any questions or anything, Hannah? Or I know I talked a lot, but.
No, I think that's it. Maybe what is Birthday Bash exactly?
Oh, yeah. Okay. We could start there because we do have a lot of new customers every month. So Birthday Bash was started, I think, maybe right after the first couple of years, and then it started really just kind of as a cookout. It was really just a celebration of us, of our birthday, of us being another year in business. And it started out, I think, like Sarah and Al and Dave maybe like cook hot dogs for people, like kind of in the alley, like very low key. And then it kind of morphed and morphed and morphed. And, we've had parades. We just try to really celebrate our employees and thank our customers for being so great and being part of our family. And so what doesn't say family like a big party? And so we love
Birthday Bash is a celebration of one more year under our belt, and a huge thank you to all of you.
Exactly. That's
so
exactly
it's
right.
for you guys.
Yeah,
we
it's
would
all for
love
you.
to hear all the feedback, any ideas.
Oh, any ideas, anything you can think of. There's still time to add things. In fact, Sarah and I were, Galbraith, one of our owners, were texting yesterday. We have another fun idea we're going to add. Like we almost need to stop, but we can't. We can't stop.
What about like maybe a balloon?
Oh, we're going to have balloons. We're going to have balloons. We're going to have, yes, we have a lot of that fun stuff. So
I feel like next year we should do a circus. That might be
Wouldn't that be fun?
That would be awesome.
I want to get like a trapeze walker.
Oh my gosh.
That, like to go over the main street. Can you imagine?
That would be so terrifying.
I know.
I don't know how they can do that.
I don't know. I wanted to get a mechanical bull because I thought, wouldn't that be fun? But
yeah,
you know, I don't know that I've ridden the mechanical bull, but it can be unsafe. Like
that's true.
You know, and I don't want anyone to get hurt. But
that's true.
But I did consider it because who doesn't love that? So there's just so many things, and you never know what other special guests we may have popping into town, but you are guaranteed to have a great time. And I really hope I get to see you guys there. Look for me. I'll have a name badge on. I'd love to meet you guys, meet as many as possible. And any ideas, any feedback, I always take it. So thank you.
Yes. So we will see you next time.
Yes. See you next time.